Okay, welcome YouTube. Some of you guys might have a zippo, like mine, and you go to light it. You go to light it and you won't light, won't spark or anything. It's because underneath that wheel, there's a thing called a flint that makes you able to light it.
Yes, I think you will for a little while anyway. The doctor's here.
Of course, mine lights because what I did was, you got a flint and a normal disposable lighter. What you do first is you take off the safety, which is the thing that goes right around there to keep kids from striking it. Then what you'll need is a knife or whatever. Stick it underneath that wheel. Careful because there's a spring. Pop it up.
Catch my breath.
Okay, now there's a spring in there, so.
Okay, here it is. July 12, 1862. The President is authorized to present in the name of Congress a medal of honor.
Alright, there's a spring in there. And whenever you take it out, dump it out, and you'll have a flint. You'll have a flint in there. And how to replace it in a lighter is you take the lighter off. There's a screw that you unscrew. I don't want to do it. And then there'll come out a spring. And then on the end of the spring there will be something metal. Don't take that off. And that flint from the other lighter, you want to take a knife, put it down on the table, and kind of cut it in half in your hand. Then you unscrew that and shake out the other flint that was in there before. You take that one that you split in half, take that one piece, drop it in there, tie it back on, and light it, and it'll work. Then you just put it back in, and there you go. You replaced your flint by a normal lighter. And this thing still has fluid in it. You know, it's basically useless because you need a flint inside there to create the spark, and you'll have to put the wheel back on along with the spring, but you ain't gonna be able to do that. If you do, I'll be surprised. Just make a video or something. See, it still has thing, it's just no flint. Alright, well, that's all YouTube, so see you later.